Introducing the Kairos Air Fryer 6-in-1, where taste meets health. With a spacious 15-liter capacity, this air fryer is your passport to guilt-free indulgence. With a robust 1400-watt motor, it employs high-speed air circulation technology for crispy perfection. The digital display touch panel offers precision at your fingertips, making your cooking experience effortless. Operate with ease using the touch power button. The display screen reveals 4 preset menus: chips, meat, nuts, and pizza. Access other functions by pressing the timer button to set the cooking time and the temperature button to adjust the heat. Experience 360-degree hot air circulation, delivering a crispy outside and a tender inside for all your dishes. Say goodbye to excess oil. 80% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Grill, bake, fry, roast all without the need for oil. Cleaning made easy with the stainless steel inner case, designed for hassle-free maintenance. Inside the box, you will find the air fryer, baking basket, grilling net, oil pan, handle clamp, and a user manual. Designed with big families in mind, the Kairos air fryer is your trusted partner for creating healthier, delicious meals. Kairos, where health meets taste. Visit our website or contact us for more information.